Hello everyone, how are you doing? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace a damaged toner chip. Even when the previous chip will still function, sometimes for various reasons, we need to change the chip to continue using our toner without any issues. The first step is to locate the chip that we want to replace. Next, we'll carefully remove it. Sometimes we can do this using just our fingers, but other times we might need to use a tool, like a knife, to gently push and remove it from the toner. After removing the damaged chip, we'll proceed to install the new chip. Simply place it in its designated spot and push it in to ensure it's secure fit. There you go, the new chip is now installed and my toner will be ready to function correctly. I hope this video is helpful for you in changing your toner chip. If you liked it, I invite you to subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next video.